Welcome to the lovely state of Minnesota. This is the video that a lot of you have been asking for. We've been taking the Ryobi 2-stage snowblower out, and it's been in 3 or 4 inches, but now we've got drifts. We've got some drifts over here that are about 16 inches right through there, and over here we've got a drift that's over 24 inches. And we're going to go get that snowblower because we've got, even up by the house here, we've got a good foot plus of drifts right over in there, probably about 16 inches. We're going to go get the snowblower and give this a shot and see what it's going to do through a little bit thicker snow today. Okay, so this is a little more difficult because I want to get a shot of it going through the snow, and I want to have my hands free. So this is what we're going to try, and it may work really well, may not. You're going to get to see the snow we're going through as we're going through it. I have the two 6-amp-hour batteries on. I'm able to adjust my chute and my little pitch, and it may get muffled because I've got a Bluetooth microphone on me as I'm trying to do this. But let's give this a shot and see what happens. We're going to turn it the other way. Let me just do that a little bit. We're going to turn the chute the other way because the wind direction now is a little different. I want to blow away from the buildings. We're going through about 8 inches of snow right now. And this is over the trail that I have been blowing snow. So it has a pack down, although it is still getting down to the grass. Now we're in about 10 inches of snow, and you can hear it lug down. It's blowing the snow at about 15 feet yet. Now we're going to switch sides. Now this is getting into the area in which it was really drifted last night. I don't know if you can see my golden retriever ahead of us. But this area has got about 8 inches, and we're going to be coming up to, I'm going to slow it down to the slowest speed. Let's see what it can do. We're going through about a 10-inch drift right now. Now we're about 12 inches. And now we're through the drift. Oh, and we kicked a rock up. We found a rock, and I just would rather not be throwing that around, so we're going to toss that back into the landscaping area over there. Okay, let's weight those lenses, see how we're doing there. Let's continue up ahead, and then we're going to turn and go back, and we're going to go right into those heavier drifts. Woo! That was cold. Okay, I am going to move around. I've got the wind coming to me right from this direction. So really, no matter where I blow snow, maybe if I blow it all the way to the left, and I'm going to put the hood up, and it's going to probably muffle the microphone. I apologize for that. I'm trying not to give myself a huge snow, but I want to go snow bath, but I want to go right down the middle of this drift. So we're going. The transmission is in low. Whew, put that down. Okay, that's not going to work very well. That's coming right back in his face. Probably getting a new your guys' face too. Okay, this is the negative thing about not having a cab. And now you don't want to blow it towards the house. Okay, let's try this. Maybe if I can maybe get it go all the way. We'll try it one more time, and then there we go. So we're going through about 14 inches of snow right now. Now we're about 12 inches right through here, but now we're going to be heading to the deeper snow drift. So now we're at about 16 inches of snow we're going through. And again, I'm not letting off on it's on a slower speed, but I'm not really letting off on the wheels. So it's going at the speed in which it's seeing right there. Come back a little bit. Yeah, that was a good 14 inches here, 16 right where I'm standing. Okay. Now, I'm going to do one more pass with this, and then I've got to go get change this. So I'm going to take the camera out, and for this last, I'm going to do it from. I'm going to hold up here because this unit can be run one-handed, meaning that I've got my operator presence for the auger. This is to start the auger, and this is the drive. I'm going to turn my chute to the right, hold this down. Okay, we're running. Now I'm going to do it this way so you can see what I'm seeing. So we're throwing it about 15 feet right now, and you can kind of see the depth in which we're going through. And I'm not getting a snow bath this time. I'm so happy about that. Yeah, I'm throwing it about 15 feet. But this is very heavy, and we did have some sleet in with this snow. So there it is. Just to give you a quick idea of what it can do. We went through about 16 inches of snow. This drifted in late last night, so it's still soft. It's still soft yet, but for shoveling and things, it would be very, very difficult. And I've got a lot more to do here today. Let's do one last look here. In those passes, there's two 6 amp hour batteries in here, and you can see that they're down to 3. I'm going to start this up. So that's where they're at. They're at the 3 3 bars on both batteries. So we did take a little bit off, going from all the way out there, blowing our way up here, past the car, and a pass back and forth here. We'll put links in the description so you can check this out. It can definitely do the job, but if you got a strong wind like I've got today, you're going to get a snow bath, and that's not the greatest feeling in the world. This is John Young. Thanks for watching.
For more tips and how-to videos, go to weekendhandyman.com.